Say hello
Hi.
from our play diary. Today we have an egg challenge.
Yep.
And we're going to use our sensory salt and show you how we can balance an egg. Okay? So first you're going to try to balance it by itself. Can you balance an egg? Can it stand upright?
No.
No? Okay. So now we're going to show you a trick. Okay, use your salt, maybe a little less, okay, put it on the table, okay, now we're going to start the stopwatch, hold on, and try and balance your egg, make it stand. Oh, Lucius has already done it. Okay, Danny, work on it. Come on. Okay, you want to spread out your salt a bit? No, on the table? Danny, spread the salt on the table. Yeah, okay, now try. Hold on. Come on, Dan.
Come on, Danny.
Ta-da! Okay, try again. Ta-da! Good job, Dan!
Let's boil 5 minutes.
And that, you guys, is our egg challenge. Hope you can try this at home. Bye!